Stop chasing empty names. Stop playing everybody's games. Paid the price, wore every scar. Now I know exactly who you are. Trust ain't cheap, it had its cost. Built from everything I lost. Every lesson caught me in stone. Showed me strength to standing alone. Not everyone deserves my time. Not every smile deserves my life. Access to my soul ain't free. Peace is worth protecting. My circle small, my heart is strong. You carry dawn. Choose peace over all your drama. Real one shine, they don't need armor. I don't need a crowd to know my name. Won't trade my soul to fit your game. I know my work, I know my place. You'll never buy what I won't waste. I'll never sell myself just to feel accepted. Silence taught me more than noise. Pain revealed the wiser choice. Less people, more freedom, less disguise. I finally saw through all the lies. Only though I'm finally free. The only approval I need is me. Quality over quantity every day. It's the only price I'll ever pay. They'll call you cold when you set a boundary. They'll call you selfish when you choose your sanity. But protecting your peace isn't cool. It's what survivors learn to do. My circles, my life is built from truth instead of fools. I choose calm over constant war. I know exactly what I'm fighting for. I don't beg the rest at your table. I build my own, I know I'm able. My worth was never yours to measure. Self-respect is my greatest treasure. I'd rather walk alone than fake a smile. I'd rather lose the crowd than lose myself. Not everyone earns a place in my life.
Hora de emprender un nuevo viaje. No te preocupes, seré tu guía.